Hi there, Poppin PJ here, and I am going to show you probably the easiest and cutest way to make Easter Bunny goodie bags. Just making 2 cuts in a paper bag. Hippity hoppity! How cute is this little face? You will just need some lunch-size paper bags, like this one. If you look closely at your paper bag, you can see these 2 vertical lines right here. Then you just make a little mark a little over halfway down the length of the bag. And then we are just going to make 2 cuts in this bag on those vertical lines we saw earlier and to the level of the mark we made. And this is what you have. This is the cool part. If you just fold the middle piece down, you are left with the shape of a bunny face. Wasn't that super easy? And then all you have to do is draw your bunny face. The eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the whiskers. Our little Easter bag bunny is coming to life. I am going to go over what I drew with a pencil with a Sharpie. I absolutely love crafts that are easy but cute and functional, and definitely love to upcycle. Our bunny looks so cute. I am going to give it a pink nose. How fun is this paper bag bunny? All we have to do is open up our Easter Bunny goodie bag like so, and then fill your Easter Bunny goodie bags with goodies such as candy, treats, whatever you want. I like to put in little Easter eggs. These are some candy-filled Easter eggs. Once you have filled your goodie bag, all you have to do is take the middle flap and fold it over like this. And I'm just going to make a little cut right here and then use some tape and tape it down. You really can't get any easier than that. And look what you come out with. Let's make another using a palm ball for the nose, but you can also use pipe cleaners for the whiskers, just whatever you want to do, make it your own. They take no time to make, and this is what you get. These are perfect for kids' treats or classroom gifts.